And Prime Minister Modi has also reacted to this controversial comment by the Goa Congress candidate. He's in fact lashed out, saying first you had the Karnataka Congress saying that South India should be declared a separate country, referring to what D.K. Suresh had said. And now Prime Minister saying that Goa candidates of Congress are saying that constitution doesn't apply to Goa. This is a well-planned move to break the country, according to the Prime Minister. Prime Minister Modi also saying that the Congress is repeatedly insulting India's constitution. So the controversy over the Congress's South Goa candidate's comment saying that the constitution was forced upon Goans, now triggering a reaction from the Prime Minister.
कांग्रेस ने अब एक और बड़ा खेल शुरू कर दिया है। पहले कर्नाटका से कांग्रेस के सांसद ने कहा कि दक्षिण भारत को अलग देश घोषित कर देंगे। अब कांग्रेस के गोवा के उम्मीदवार कह रहे हैं कि गोवा पर भारत का संविधान लागू नहीं होता। वो साफ साफ कह रहे हैं कि गोवा पर देश का संविधान थोपा गया और उन्होंने ये बातें कांग्रेस के साहबजादे को बताई है। ये बाबा साहब आंबेडकर का अपमान है कि नहीं है? ये बाबा साहब आंबेडकर का अपमान है कि नहीं है? ये भारत के संविधान का अपमान है कि नहीं है? ये भारत के संविधान के साथ छेड़छाड़ है कि नहीं है? कांग्रेस का उम्मीदवार कह रहा है कि गोवा में संविधान नहीं चलेगा। ये जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग भी कहा करते थे, आपने मोदी को आशीर्वाद दिया, आज उनकी बोलती बंद हो गई और देश का संविधान वहां चल रहा है। बाबा साहब आंबेडकर का संविधान जो जम्मू कश्मीर में नहीं चलता था, वो भी लागू हो गया। ये सोची समझी चाल है देश को तोड़ने की। कांग्रेस को देश के एक बड़े हिस्से ने नकार दिया है, इसलिए वो देश में ही ऐसे टापू बनाना चाहती है।
Let's bring in Sumi Rajappan on this broadcast for more details. Sumi, in a rally in Chhattisgarh there, the Prime Minister referring to the controversial comment made by a Congress leader in Goa, saying that this is clearly the Congress's attempt to target the Constitution, that they're against the Indian Constitution.
Absolutely, Akshita. It is distorted. The Congress's stance on the Constitution is entirely distorted, and which is clear by the statement of the South Goan candidate from the Congress, Viriato Fernandes. He said, he very equivocally said that when in 1961 Goa was liberated from the Portuguese rule, the Constitution was forced on us. And in fact, Pramod Sawant also took to Twitter and reacted and said that his entire statement was very appalling, and the Congress need to look into its stance, and this is an attempt to break the Constitution. This is an attempt to insult Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And reiterating and echoing the same sentiment, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has, during his speech in Chhattisgarh today, emphasized on this very part, that the Congress is not only attacking the Constitution, but they're also attacking Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who wrote the Constitution. And this is an attempt to tarnish the image of India, and this is an attempt to break India into several parts. And this is certainly coming as a very strong comeback for Congress's South Goan candidate, who has been advocate for dual citizenship for Goans. In fact, he had also said during one of his rallies that he had a conversation with Rahul Gandhi and he pressed for 12 demands, one of which included a dual citizenship for Goans. And in fact, this is a strong remark now. That is, a response is coming from Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself from Chhattisgarh.
All right. Thanks very much, Sumi, for rounding up those updates.